Today I'm attempting hard-boiled eggs in my Instant Pot Duo Mini.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
I'm here with my Instant Pot Duo Mini and I have the rack inside and I am attempting to make hard-boiled eggs for the first time. I hear it's pretty easy. I hear there is a 5-5-5 method. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some eggs inside the Instant Pot. I'm going to put them on the rack. I don't know if there's a certain way you're supposed to put them on the rack. And these are large brown eggs, but they kind of look extra large to me. I don't know if that's going to make a difference. I'm adding a cup of water. I think that'll be enough. Do I need to add a little bit more? I just added a cup and a half just to be sure. Now I'm putting the lid on. And I'm supposed to pressure cook on high for 5 minutes. So we'll press pressure cook. And I have it set for 5 minutes on high. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. The eggs cooked on high pressure for 5 minutes. And then I set a 5-minute timer. So right now they've been cooling for 5 minutes. Here's the manual steam release lever. So I am going to press this. And now the pressure has been released. Let's open this up. There are the eggs, and now I'm supposed to put them in an ice bath for 5 minutes. So let's grab them out of the pot and put them in the ice bath. Here they are in my ice bath. I just grabbed a bunch of ice cubes from my freezer and stuck them in a plastic bowl with some water. We'll come back and check on them in 5 minutes. The eggs have been in the ice bath for 5 minutes, so let's take them out. Here's one of the eggs that I just peeled. It peeled really nicely. I thought I had the camera on, but I guess I didn't. I'm just going to rinse this. Let's cut this in half, see what's going on inside. And there it is, a perfect hard-boiled egg. That was so easy. The outside is nice and cool, but the inside is still a little bit warm. I'll peel another one just so you can see how they peel. Peels really easily. Let's cut this one in half. And here's the second hard-boiled egg. They came out great. So it's super, super easy to make hard-boiled eggs in this Instant Pot Duo Mini. I am really happy with this appliance. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this Instant Pot. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.